Service in Gray, Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central York County in southwestern Maine, central Cumberland County in southwestern Maine, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Standish, Oregon, 16 miles south of Naples, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Naples, Cumberland, Gorham, Falmouth, Gray, Hollis, Hiram, Cornish, Raymond, Standish, Waterboro, Casco, Leamington, Limerick, Fry Island, Wyndham, Sebago, New Gloucester, Baldwin, and North Yarmouth. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 56 and 70. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maine, Cumberland, and York. Here is the